What if I told you there's a natural way to hack your body's fat burning system without expensive medications or crazy diets? You've probably heard all about these GLP-1 agonists, these so-called miracle weight loss drugs. But what if you don't want these side effects or long-term dependency? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Renee, and I get it. Staying consistent with your health feels impossible sometimes. That's why I help women over 40 balance hormones and build habits that actually stick. I know we're just getting to know each other, but if you find today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And if you are a woman on a health journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more simple, practical tips. And hey, if you know someone who's curious about natural alternatives to these trending weight loss medications, share this video with them. They will thank you later. So let's quickly recap what these GLP-1 agonists are and why they become so popular. GLP-1 agonists are medications designed to mimic the effects of a hormone naturally produced in your gut called GLP-1. Now, this hormone plays a key role in, number one, regulating appetite by signaling to your brain when you're full. Number two, slowing digestion, which helps keep you feeling full longer. And number three, stimulating insulin resistance, which helps control blood sugar levels. Medications like Ozempic and tirzepatide are highly effective for weight loss, but they can have significant downsides. Some common side effects include nausea, fatigue, and constipation. There's also an issue of muscle loss if your calorie intake becomes too low. And let's not forget the cost. These medications can run into the thousands of dollars per month. Now, when I first heard about these GLP-1 agonists, I thought, wow, that sounds like a shortcut. But then I started looking into the side effects and realized I'd rather find a way that doesn't come with a list of warnings longer than a grocery receipt. And if you want to know my thoughts on these medications, check out this video where I talked all about it. So if you're that woman out there who's not ready to take on the risks and side effects of these GLP-1 agonists, the good news is there are natural strategies that can help your body boost its own GLP-1 levels. First, let's talk about the types of food that naturally increase your GLP-1 levels. First up, we have protein. It is one of the most powerful stimulators of GLP-1. Eating protein-rich meals helps curb your appetite and keeps your blood sugar stable. Examples include lean meats, of course, eggs, fish, legumes, and plant-based proteins. A little pro tip, start your day with a protein-packed breakfast to help reduce cravings throughout the day. Next up, we have fiber. You can think of fiber like the brakes on your appetite. It slows down digestion, keeps you feeling full longer, and prevents those energy crashes that have you reaching for snacks. Some examples include oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, lentils, and vegetables, of course. Pro tip, aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily for optimal gut health and hormone balance. But remember, if you are like most Americans, your fiber intake is probably super low. So when it comes to fiber, I always say start low and go slow. Otherwise, you will probably get really bloated, gassy, and constipated. Next, we have healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They also can promote GLP-1 release. Little pro tip, incorporate a source of healthy fat into every meal to help you stay full longer. Next up, we have my favorites, fermented foods and prebiotics. A healthy gut microbiome plays a crucial role in the secretion of GLP-1. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and prebiotic-rich veggies like garlic and onions help nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Little pro tip, focus on adding one fermented food to your diet each day to support your gut health. Now let's be real, remembering all these steps can be overwhelming, and that's why I created a free guide just for you with everything we've covered today, plus simple, delicious recipes to get you started. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. Download it now and make natural fat burning a reality. I'll be sure to put the link in the description. Okay, now let's talk about some everyday lifestyle changes that can boost GLP-1. First off, we have exercise. Both aerobic exercise and resistance training can enhance the secretion of your au naturel GLP-1. In particular, I recommend adding zone 2 cardio to your routine. Now, zone 2 cardio is a moderate intensity exercise where your heart rate stays between 60 to 70% of your maximum. It's amazing for improving metabolic health, increasing fat burning, and enhancing insulin sensitivity. So how do you know if you're in zone 2? You're going to want to use the formula 220 minus your age, then multiply by 60 to 70%, which is times 0.6 and times 0.7, which will give you a range. And I have a simple, affordable Garmin watch that gives me an estimate of my heart rate during exercise. And I'll be sure to link this watch in the description below. Now, you might be thinking, this is great, but will it really work for me? Here's the thing. Your body already knows how to regulate hunger and burn fat. These strategies just give it a little extra help. Okay, now let's talk about sleep, because poor sleep reduces GLP-1 secretion and increases hunger hormones like ghrelin. So a little pro tip, prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And if you have trouble sleeping, you can try things like reducing your screen time before bed or creating a calming nighttime routine like taking a warm bath, shower, or drinking herbal tea. And I don't think I can do a video without talking about stress and stress management, because chronic stress raises cortisol, which interferes with GLP-1 and can lead to weight gain. So a little pro tip, incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing, or just a daily walk. Remember, stress happens, but how you respond to it makes all the difference. Finally, let's talk about what you all love to talk about, a few supplements that may help support GLP-1 secretion and metabolic health. First off, we have berberine. It's often called nature's metformin. Berberine is known for improving blood sugar control and may help increase GLP-1 levels. Next, probiotics. Now, certain probiotic strains like bifidobacterium and lactobacillus have been linked to increased GLP-1 secretion. And then we have resveratrol. You can either get it in grapes and dark berries or in a supplement. It's been shown to potentially enhance GLP-1 secretion and improve insulin sensitivity. And then omega-3s. They are anti-inflammatory and supportive of metabolic health. Now, you can get them from fatty fish like salmon or taking a supplement. And I'll be sure to link my favorite supplements in the description. Okay, so now let's wrap things up. Here's what you can do to naturally boost your GLP-1. When it comes to your diet, you're going to want to focus on protein, fiber, healthy fats, and fermented foods. When it comes to exercise, you're going to want to incorporate aerobic and resistance training, especially zone 2 cardio. When it comes to your lifestyle, you're going to want to prioritize sleep and manage your stress. And when it comes to supplements, consider adding berberine, probiotics, resveratrol, and omega-3s. And remember, while these strategies won't replicate the exact effects of GLP-1 medications, they can help regulate your appetite, balance your blood sugar, and support long-term health without the risks of using these medications. And if you're serious about taking the natural route to boosting GLP-1 and supporting your metabolism, this guide will make it so much easier. It's free, it's simple, and it's packed with actionable steps and recipes. So don't miss out. It will be linked in the description. Download it now and start making progress today. And with that, we'll see you right back here next week. Ciao.